This is the other half of the reminder in terms of the filling up of the Philippine Immigration Digital Online Form. Siyempre, if you're going to leave the Philippines, you have to fill up departure. Pag balik mo naman, kailangan mo naman ng arrival. Because dati, this is the piece of paper card that you would be getting. Now, it's actually on digital form. I think I have another video on that. Now, yung mga nagtatanong na, kailangan ba talaga yan? Kasi hindi naman kami hiningan before. That's not true. Kailangan mo yun. Okay, kailangan mo yung card na yun. You need that card. And no Filipino can leave the country or enter the country without the immigration card. It just so happened that the immigration card is now in digital format. Okay? Kasi may mga nagtanong before eh. They were insisting, I don't know who booked your travel, but definitely, if it's international, okay lang if it's local. But if it's international, you cannot leave the country, Philippines for that matter, and come back without the digital online form. You can download etravel.com.ph. The thing is, if it's your first time, you'll have to do a lot of uploading, like your passport, your flight details, your picture, your date of birth, passport details, lahat yon. So medyo mas mahaba. But actually, by experience, since I've started using the digital etravel.gov.ph for the past 2 years now, since the pandemic that I've been traveling, actually, mabilis na lang talaga if you're going to like fill up a departure online or an arrival. It's very fast na lang. Siguro parang mga 5-10 minutes, no? So as long as you have all the information. Kasi nakasave na yun. Nakasave na yung mga information mo. So that means that if you're going to change your passports na, you'll have to do editing again at mas mahaba. But for now, our discussion will be just like what to fill up. If you're, let's say, departing or arriving the country, may kita mo naman doon eh. As you will see in the photos about yourself, lalagay mo, tapos kiklik mo lang yung arrival or departure. It's really more of putting on the flight details. What airline, what airport, what's the flight number. More or less yun. Yun ang kailangan mo. Ganun lang, ganun kasimple. Tapos lalabas na dyan, may mga declaration. Are you sick? Eh kung less than $10,000 lang naman ang i-declare mo, that's a big amount of money. That's about over $500,000. Hindi mo na kailangan i-declare. Yung mga pinang-shopping mo na mga stuffs you'll wear, actually, parang hindi mo na kailangan i-declare yung maliliit, no? Just be careful with your declarations kasi baka mamaya you want to be too honest, tas ikaw naman ang ikaw naman ang pahamak. Okay, so it's very simple. Basta na-upload mo na all the information when you just fill up every time you have an arrival or departure from our Philippine country. You just fill it up, no, the digital, and it's so easy. Like, siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes lang. Yeah, that's it.